How to buy Kekius Maximus token. This token came under the Kekius symbol, but it's not related to the well-known one, as you can see. So lately, you will see that the Kekius has exploded like the first one, but this new token, it's not related to or like the first one. This token or this Kekius, its own base, as you can see, and different from the other one. Now, before that or before start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. Now, if you click on markets, you will be redirected to this page, as you can see. So it's available on Uniswap. If you click on pair here, after that, what you need to do is just click on trade on Uniswap. You will be redirected to Uniswap page or website to be able to buy this token. Now, before that, make sure to connect your wallet. Just click on connect here, select your wallet. I will use Bitget wallet here. After you connect your wallet, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the USDT. Now here, if you don't find the token, you can search it for, just type Kekius. As you can see, you see a plenty of or different tokens from here. To be able to find the right one, just go back to the token page and copy the token address from here. And remember, it's under the base network. Now go back to Uniswap, click here and select the base network from here. As you can see, now paste the token address to be able to find the right one. Now before that, make sure to click on this and read all of that. After that, just click on continue, and here type how much you want to buy. After that, you will see how much you receive of that Kekius token. But before that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. If you don't have, just go back to your wallet and fill it with USDT to be able to buy this token. And after that, go back to Uniswap and click on buy, and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy Kekius Maximus. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.